there, community. Today, I'm extremely excited to introduce you to the Fat Cat NFT project, which is coming to the Songbird network in the very near future. This NFT collection is a collection like no other. They have various airdrops, and we're going to take a look into their website and go over some opportunities where you can actually win some of these NFTs yourself. So here we are on the Fat Cat's website, a new NFT series on the Songbird network. And before we jump in, I'd just like to bring your attention to the bottom right here where you can get a little taste of these NFTs. As I scroll down, you can see them changing, and first of all, I think they look absolutely incredible. But let's go back to the top and start reading right here. Who are the Fat Cats? The Fat Cats is an exclusive members-only club made up of Fat Cat collection owners. The collection comprises of a series of 4 NFT drops. The Fat Cats, which is obviously the first and Genesis series, the Fat Leopards, the Fat Tigers, and finally the Fat Kittens, making up the entire Fat Cats collection. The first drop in the series, which is the Fat Cats, are the first and most exclusive collection in the series. There are only 1,000 in the collection, each one being completely unique. Fat Cats have a variety of outfits, fur colours and accessories which differ in rarity. And before we move on, 1,000 NFTs for a collection is actually very limited, and especially considering the fact that a number of these have already been whitelisted for those who have won various competitions. And as I said before, there is a competition at the end, so stay tuned for that. So why would you want to join the Fat Cats? You'll be at the forefront of a new ecosystem built on the Songbird blockchain. Our mission is to give the Fat Cats members early and exclusive access to artwork by established artists through the Catalyst. And I'm absolutely loving that pun. The Catalyst is the first digital gallery space built on the Songbird blockchain, acting as a launchpad for established artists entering the world of NFTs. And if that didn't tickle your tummy, members will also receive rewards, perks, and airdrops. Last but not least, we give 10% of all profits made through the Catalyst to our community through contests, raffles, and giveaways, because we genuinely want the Fat Cat to be a community-driven and member-centric project. And you know, I really do like this idea of giving back to the community, and it just goes to show that they have a really good ethos, and yes, I'm really looking forward to this project. So how do you become a member? The Fat Cats Club has 4 tiers: Gold, Silver, Bronze, and Standard. To qualify for a given membership, you must own one of each collection up to that membership tier. For example, to qualify for a Gold membership, you would need 1 Fat Cat, 1 Fat Leopard, 1 Fat Tiger, and 1 Fat Kitten. In contrast, to qualify for Standard membership, you will only need 1 Fat Kitten. And yes, this is a very important note here. By taking part in the initial drops, you will automatically reserve your membership spot when you mint your Fat Cat, as you will be airdropped 1 NFT in each of the subsequent drops. This means that if you mint a Fat Cat in the Genesis drop, you will be airdropped 1 Fat Leopard, 1 Fat Tiger, and 1 Fat Kitten, thereby qualifying you as a Gold member. And we're going to have a quick look at their roadmap, which goes over this in a little bit more detail. So this is the roadmap, and you can see that the first airdrop, which is expected March this month of 2022, is the launch of 1,000 Fat Cats. And as we said before, this is the first collection in a series of 4 listed on the Songbird network. And this is what will qualify you for a Gold membership. If you're holding this, you will then be eligible for the second airdrop, which is of 3,000 Fat Leopards. And you know, this is the second in the collection of the series of 4 drops. And again, if you're holding the very first Fat Cat NFT, the Genesis NFT, you will get this one for free. Similarly, as we move on, the third airdrop is Fat Tigers, and there will be 6,000 of these. And if you're holding Fat Leopards at this particular time, you will then be able to receive this one for free, and this occurs in May. Finally, the fourth and final NFT airdrop is 10,000 Fat Kittens. And the thing what really excites me is this ability to basically get 4 NFTs for the price of 1. So before we move on, I just want to go over this last paragraph here. Fat Cat members will gain early and exclusive access to artwork, as well as rewards proportional to their membership tier. The Fat Cats will help steer the future of the NFT world. And there was also this tweet here from Hugo, and he was saying that he spoke with the Fat Cat NFT team today, and this was actually a couple of days ago, and he said that he likes their vision and he likes their project. There are no guarantees that they will be successful, but they are smart and seem both honest and well-intentioned. And if we move over to their Discord here, which is actually a very friendly place, Jiggles over here says that they had a brilliant discussion with Fleur and are having other discussions with big names in the space. We have a chance to do something huge with the Fat Cats, and we are working tirelessly to make this happen. If you are planning on becoming a member, you can actually check all of the different benefits on this channel here over on the Fat Cats Discord, and they have this very handy document which describes everything you need to know. We can see the Catalyst here, which obviously is the first NFT gallery on Fleur and a launchpad for established artists entering the NFT space. We've got the rewards, which is something that I'm particularly excited about, which gives 10% of all the money raised through the Catalyst back to the members through contests, raffles, and giveaways. We have the VIP access, the community ownership, which is another interesting concept. They basically leverage the decentralized technology to allow community-owned artwork through fractionalization. And this is the idea of having really high-value artwork divided up between a number of different owners. There are airdrops for all of the Fat Cat Genesis NFT holders, and that's 3 in total. You'll also get access to early bird upcoming releases and whitelist spots. So a lot of different benefits here. And again, you can find this on their Discord. So before we get onto the competition, let's just have a quick look at some frequently asked questions. How do I get a Fat Cat? The minting date will be available on their website in March, and the exact date is to be confirmed. If you want to stay up to date with everything, follow them on Twitter and check out their Discord. I'm actually going to leave the links in the description below. What is the mint price? We haven't finalized the mint price yet. We will let all our followers know what the final mint price is closer to the mint date. And you have to remember that this is 4 NFTs in 1. What about gas fees? Well, we should all know this by now. Gas fees on the Songbird network are super cheap. Fees vary but are usually less than 1 cent per transaction. After the mint date, where can I purchase a Fat Cat? If you missed out on minting a Fat Cat, you may be able to find one on the Sparkles marketplace. And I'm actually aware of other marketplaces which are going to list this in the near future too. So there we go. It's time to get into the competition. Now, if you go over to my Twitter account @CommunityFleur, you can check out the pinned tweet here, and this is the giveaway. Now, I was very fortunate to be approached by the Fat Cats team, and in exchange for receiving an NFT myself, I was able to host this competition. So big love to them, and yes, this is your chance to win not just 1, but 2 NFTs. All you have to do is follow them on Twitter, that is @thefatcatsNFT, and also join their Discord. And as I said before, I'm actually going to be leaving all of the links in the description of this video. So there we have it, a brand new project coming to Songbird. 1,000 NFTs of the Big Fat Cats, which is the first in a 4-part series, And if you get one of these early NFTs, the Genesis NFTs, you're going to get 4 subsequent NFTs just for holding. There's much more in the pipelines with this project, and I'll definitely keep you guys up to date as and when the information comes available. So with that being said, thank you all so much for watching as always. If you're yet to subscribe, please feel free to do so. And until next time, I'm out.
Mission Control, we have liftoff.